Hello, I'm Naomi. Today, I'm gonna make grilled salmon in foil Japanese style. I'm gonna show you two different cooking methods, so please watch it till the end. This channel is for non-Japanese who want to challenge to cook Japanese food but don't know what or how to cook it. In my channel, you will find a lot of popular Japanese dishes with many realistic hands-on tips and secret recipes that you will not find it anywhere else in every single clip. Please subscribe to the channel before start. You will not be disappointed. So, let's get started. Sprinkle salt and pepper and let it sit until use. Place a long piece of foil and spread the onions onto it. Place the fillet onto the scattered onions and top with other veggies. There is no rule of how to assemble, but I recommend to place tough or large pieces onto the bottom because it takes time to be cooked. Season with 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and sprinkle a little bit of additional salt. And then wrap them up. Fold left and right side upwards to avoid leakage. Place the foil packet onto a baking pan and pour hot water in it. Finally, let's put it in the oven. Cook in the oven for 15 minutes, or you can cook on the stove as well. How did you like it? Today, I introduced the Soy Autumn fish plate. The seasonal ingredients and lemon slices infuse natural and aromatic flavor. Now you know it's very easy to cook and easy to clear the dishes after dinner. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.